Hi everyone, are you looking for your online medical store? Are you looking for a website or application like PharmEasy, NetMeds and more? Do you want to start your own online medical platform where users can see all your medicine, they can shop by category, they can see all your products, they can order and you can deliver their products? Are you looking for a platform where user can order by prescription? Then this is the platform for you. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agrawal from Ronix and today we are going to discuss how our ready-made medical online store works and how a customer can place an order, how he can see all the products and how he can use the website and application for medical store. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the website. You can see the brand name and all the other factors over here. You can see these sliders like this where you can show your offers and your latest launch product. You can also show your videos like this and the customer when click on them they will be redirected to that particular product. Here you can show your shipping details and your delivery details and any other particular notice that you want to give to the users. Here is shop by category. So your users can order by particular category. So for example, if they click on Ayurveda, they will be redirected to all the product in Ayurveda. If they click on diabetes, they will be redirected to all the product in diabetes. Here are the products the customer can order. Here is shop by prescription. We will discuss about it later in this video. Here is how to shop by category. We have clicked on men's care and we can see all the products in men's care. And that's how a user will see shop by category. That's how all the other categories will work. Now if we want to see all the products on platform, let's click on all products and here are all the products that you can shop. You can click on add to cart or buy now to directly purchase the products. And that's how all the products are coming with image, name, price and much details. All these banners are clickable and you can connect any link on this. Now this is shop by price. So if you want to show products by under 199, under 299, under 399, you can show that. So when we click on under 199, we get all the products that are below 199 price. If we click on under 299, we get all the products showing below 299 price. So that's how it works. So the customer can also purchase by their budget. All these images are automatically changeable and you can also click on these arrows to change them. The customer can also shop by category and choose the other products from header also and he can also see your other details. Now let's click on order with prescription to understand how the order with prescription is working. Enter your name, your number, your email and upload your prescription and click on submit. And yeah, that's how the customer will upload a prescription. This prescription will be coming to the admin by a mail and the admin can either deliver the product directly or they can contact with the customer and then they can deliver the product to the customer. Now let's understand how to search our product in the website. So you can type the product name. So when you type 3 words of the product, the automatic search, the advanced search will show you the products available by those words and you can see the product over there like this. And when we click on it, we can see the product image, product name, product price and all the other features of the product. We can also see the description and other details of the products. All these categories can be changed from the admin panel and all these products can be changed from the admin panel. So right now if you have less categories and later if you have higher categories, you can add them from the admin panel itself. For more, kindly contact your consultant or drop a comment below so our team can help you, or you can also directly check the description box so our team can directly connect with you. So this is a product called Acne Star. We can see the price of the product, we can see the image of the product, we can also zoom the image and we can also see the reviews and other details of the product. Once order is purchased, we can also add a review to the product. We can also increase or decrease the quantity of the order and let's click on add to cart. So now the product has been added to cart. So let's click on view cart. You can also increase or decrease the quantity over here. You can also add a coupon code if there is any discount code that you have. So this is the total of our order. Click on proceed to checkout and now enter your personal details like your name, your number, your location, your address and much more. These all details will be sent to the admin panel, the owner of the application, at the time of order place. Now choose your payment method is COD or online payment. Remember these online payment or COD the admin can control. Accept the terms and condition and click on place order. And yeah, that's how you place a order on medical ready-made online store. Now this order will go to the admin panel. You can see this order in your My Orders section like this. So you can see your order is processing and this is your order details. And that's how a customer successfully place an order in the ready-made medical store designed by Ronix. And this is the admin panel of Nadoxy Life. You can see all the settings over here. So now let's see the order that we just placed. And this is the order that we just placed coming as processing. Click on it. And here you can see all the details of that order. The customer name, number, product detail, order is COD or online payment, all the other details you can see. You can also change the order status like this from the admin panel itself. Now we have changed the order status. So let's see in the customer side. And yeah, we can see the order status has been changed to the completed. And that's how our ready-made online medical store works. If you want to create your own medical store like this, you can directly connect us with the details available in description, or you can also call or message us so our team can help you. Now let's talk about the other features of this platform. The user can also have a WhatsApp chat directly by the platform like this. User can register or sign in also. When the user will register or log in, they can log in by directly email ID or password, and they can also log in by OTP. Remember, to log in by OTP, you will need to buy bulk SMS plan. For that, kindly contact your consultant or connect us by directly. The user can also shop by brands like this. You can control what brands you want to show here, and when a user click on a particular brand, he can directly redirect to that brand products only. User can also add to cart or buy now. So if you want to directly buy just one product, he can click on this buy now button and he can directly buy. And that's all about our ready-made online store of medical. And now let's see how the app works. This is the Play Store application. You can directly download the app from Play Store. When you download, the app looks like this. Right now it's having client's brand name and logo. Once it's your app, it will be having your brand name and your logo. So when we open the app, we can see it is having the branding of medical store. We can see all the products and all the categories as we were seeing in the website. We can click on any category and we can directly shop now. We can see all the products in a category. We can click on this button and we can add to cart that product. In the application also, you can order with prescription. Click on this button and you will be redirected to the website in mobile to order with prescription. You can also have a WhatsApp chat with the admin for any issues. So now let's understand how to make an order in application. Click on add to cart. You can also increase or decrease the quantity. Proceed to checkout and now enter your personal details like your name, number and other details like website and choose your payment gateway. If you pay online, the payment will be coming directly to the admin, and if you choose COD, that admin can control he wants to give COD or not. Then the customer will need to pay once the delivery has been reached at his place. And yeah, click on place order. And yeah, that's how you make an order in the application. Now go to my account, orders, and yeah, here is your latest order. And that's how our ready-made medical online store website and application works. If you are looking for similar website or application, you can directly connect with us by the details available in description, or you can also comment below so our team can help you. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.